Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix some app freezing on iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes under this video and please write your comments. So let's get down to our topic. First of all, I recommend that if you have an application that maybe hangs, especially while you're working, then just exit that application and close it. Then re-enter that application and see if that helps you. If it did not help you, then I recommend you this application to clear the cached and unnecessary files. To do this, open the settings, then select General iPhone Storage. Go to this app and then press Delete. And then unload this app again. By unloading such app, you will have cleared various cache files and also maybe some corrupted files and outdated this app. You don't have to worry, all your data will be saved, and after reinstalling the app, you can easily re-enter it with all your data. If this also didn't help you, then I recommend you to try uninstalling and reinstalling such an app. To do this, click on the application and hold it down. Then click Uninstall and confirm your actions. After that, go to the App Store and reinstall it. You can also try to update such an app. To do this, open the App Store, and then you will have to, friends, find such an app through search or through the option for updates and just update it. I also recommend you, friends, to check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. This can also help you to solve the problem. To do this, open the Settings, General, System Update, and if necessary, please update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. I also recommend you to try just rebooting your device. Just please turn off your iPhone and turn it on again. Very often, simply turning off your iPhone can help to solve many problems, including if you have some app hanging. Dear friends, these are the methods so that you can fix app freezing in iPhone on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.